Can you fix ugly PDF covers in Windows for free without Adobe Acrobat, without paying the Adobe Acrobat tax? I say yes, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Way back in November of 2020, I published a video called Fix Ugly PDF Covers in Calibre and iBooks. And the process that I showed was with a very old MacBook Pro. Mac includes the preview software, which actually lets you insert and delete pages within a PDF document. It's surprisingly powerful considering it's free and comes with the operating system. Unfortunately, I don't think there's anything similar in Windows. Please, if I'm wrong, tell me in the comments. I want to know. Call me out. Hey, you big dummy, what about this program that comes with Windows? Maybe there's something new I don't know about. But there is a way to do it in Windows without Adobe Acrobat with some free software. Now, there's a bunch of free software you can get for Windows that has varying abilities and quality and so on. I'm going to show you the one that I've ran across and used a number of times over the years. So the software is called PDFill. They have a bunch of free tools and paid tools. The website you can get it at is at www.pdfill.com. At first, it looks like it might not be able to do what I want to do. I can't insert a picture into the PDF as seamlessly as I did as I showed in the example on the MacBook. But I can do it if we're clever and do a couple of quick steps here. So first, obviously, have to install the PDFill PDF tools, which I've got running here. And then let's say you've got a PDF like this PDF that is completely legally downloaded from the internet, but it has an ugly, 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 ugly cover. And I've not yet imported this into my Calibre library. Not that it matters, but just so you know where we're at in the process. So what I'm going to do, let me just close this. First, I have to take the cover I downloaded that I want to insert and turn it into a PDF. Okay. Then, although I can't insert a page, I can merge PDF files with the software. So if I merge a one-page PDF, the cover, with the rest of it, then I've effectively added the page, and I'll just leave the other ugly PDF cover page as a second page in the document. I don't care. I'll just never look at it. So first, convert images to PDF. Click that. Little box opens up. Grab the file I want to convert to PDF. There it is. This is important. Use image size to decide page size with DPI or just new page size. I'm going to not check the box, leave it at new PDF page size is letter size, which is 8.5 by 11, because that's what the rest of the document is. This way it will fit. And that's about it. And we just close save as, and let's just call it thus spake cover. Doesn't matter. This is just temporary. We'll get rid of this when we're done. And here we have the PDF with that image on it. It's a one-page PDF. So far, so good. Now, all we have to do is go back to this software, close this, go to Merge PDF Files, and supply both the cover and the full document. And it shows you the page count. And this is the order that they will get merged in. So I want the cover on the top, and you can move things around if you get things messed up or in the wrong order. And then we again go save as, and let's just give it this name, dash new cover. Doesn't really matter. Just want to keep them straight. And here we go now, a 287 page PDF. And there's the new pretty cover page already in there. And now I can import that into Calibre. Okay, so now I can import that document into Calibre. Notice I already have the Mobi version of this same book. And let's see if we get triggered with a duplicate warning here when we drag it in. We didn't. It didn't recognize it because the metadata was not correct. But I can fix that now. This is a bonus tip. Bonus tip, how to merge. I've got two different versions of the same book showing up as two different books instead of showing as one multi-version book. First, I'm just going to do a quick search and so I can see both of them. Okay, here we go. So here is the Mobi version with all of the metadata correct intact. Here is the PDF that I would like to merge into the other one. So to merge, what you first do is click on the book that with the metadata that you want to keep. So I'm going to click that one, then shift click on the other copy. And there could be multiple different copies of the same book that you want to merge in different formats that have somehow got messed up when you import it from different sources, like I've done here. So then hit M for merge, and you get a warning. Book formats and metadata from the selected book will be merged into the first selected book. That's why I selected that first. After being merged, the second and subsequently selected books will be deleted, which is a little confusing. The books will no longer appear as a separate item in CoverFlow, but the actual PDF of the underlying book will be merged together with the first copy. Does that make sense? Okay, let's just click this and see what happens. So I say yes. And notice that PDF version is now sort of gone, but if you look at format, I have both the Mobi version and the PDF version. All of my metadata is still intact, and there we go. So a little bit of a bonus tip there, but the key thing is using the PDFill software, I was able to fix the ugly cover, and I did it before importing into Calibre. Hey, do you use other software, other free software in Windows to do PDF manipulation, maybe insert pages, that sort of thing? I really want to know. Let me know in the comments what you use, what you recommend. Even if it's paid software, if it's relatively inexpensive, I'd like to try it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Do 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 do.